DIY auto repair.
All right, guys. So today we're going to be rotating our tires. So I thought I would take this time, since I already have the vehicle up, and show you guys how to rotate your tires. So this will also go... Recently I put out a tire change video, so I thought it would be cool to also put out how to rotate your tires. So now normally you have a tire shop rotate your tires, and a lot of times they'll do it for free, especially if you bought the tires from that shop. But if you guys are like me, I don't have time to take it in to the tire shop, wait 30 minutes to an hour depending on how busy they are just to rotate my tires. So I normally just rotate my own tires. So despite what I said in the tire change video, you're gonna have to jack up the whole entire car, as you could see we have here. So this is a little high. I have it jacked up a little bit higher, but we were doing some other work under there, and while I have all four corners up, I thought I'd take this time and rotate these tires. They're about due. You could do them every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. That's usually what a tire shop will tell you. I try to do it every oil change, which is between 3,000 to 5,000 miles. So yeah, guys, let's jump into this. It's gonna be a real quick, short video. There's not much to explain. I already showed you how to change a tire, so you're basically just going to be removing all four tires and at the same time, and that's why you need all four corners jacked up and rotating them. So to find the specs on the rotation, you could look in your manual, you could look online, but I looked at service information, and according to the service information for my vehicle, it wants you to take the two front tires and crisscross them to the rear and bring the rear straight forward. So that's how the service information is requiring us to do it today. So there's a debate. I'm gonna just throw this in there. Now, I have all four good tires, but let's say you have one bad tire, or you have two better tires than the other two. There's a lot of debate between mechanics, tire shops, service information, wherever you go, about where is the best place to put your two best tires. Some say on the front, some say on the rear, some say it depends on if it's four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, or rear-wheel drive. So in my opinion, guys, and remind you, this is just my opinion. I'm not giving you any advice, but me personally, I would rather have my good tires in the front. The reason why I say that is because depending on what type of driveline you have, whether it's front wheel, rear wheel drive, regardless, your front wheels determine where your car is going to go. And if you have a bad tire on the front and it blows, you're going to have a very hard time steering that vehicle into a safe direction or location. So that's just my thought on it. But again, it's just my opinion. That's my personal opinion. Don't take it for for the ultimate truth. So what do you guys think about it? Anybody watching this video, leave a comment in the section below and let us know what you guys think. So we're gonna go ahead and zip these tires off and get them rotated. Okay, guys, so I forgot to mention, because you have the car jacked up on all fours, it becomes a little bit more dangerous. So you want to make sure you're on a level surface. You want to make sure you jack it up level. Don't jack up one side higher than the other. And even though we're not getting under the vehicle, it's still important to practice safety. So it's good if you want to get the car and give it a nice shake to make sure that your car is on the jack stands properly. All right, guys, so because we have a big impact gun, we don't have to have the weight of the vehicle on the tire. We could go ahead and just crack them loose with this. So this one here is a special key because it's our locking lug nut, just in case somebody wanted to try to steal our rims. They can't. So you just put that on, and then the nut and the socket. And then just hammer it off. Now, take off our tire. So this is our front driver side. It's going to go on our rear passenger side. So let's go ahead and put that over there. Okay guys, so now we're on our front passenger. So we're going to hammer this off. And just in case if I didn't mention, this is my 2016 Charger SRT 392. So basically this is going to work on your Hellcats as well. It's a 22 millimeter socket. Much easier than those tired lug nut stars, huh? I think so. Level 2 wasn't good enough. Level 3. Cake. Okay, so now this is going to go to our driver's side rear. So let's get that set up. So we got our tires set up to where we need them. And now we're going to go ahead and pull off the rears. And the rear passenger is going to go straight to the front passenger. And then our rear driver side is going to go straight forward to our front driver side. So I'm going to make this as short as possible, so I'm not going to bring you along. Obviously you see me take off the front lug nuts with the impact gun, so we're just going to go ahead and pound these off and get them put on. So we'll bring you guys right back. Alright guys, so we're down to our last tire that we're going to put on. And especially with using an impact gun, it's really important to put these on by hand. Start them by hand first. Because that impact gun has no feelings. It doesn't feel how tight it's tightening it. And if you put it on there crooked and you start hammering away, you're going to really mess up the threads. And you're going to be screwed. So remember to put these on by hand first. So now that we got them started by hand, we have it on our lowest setting. And we're just going to come over here. And you still want to do a star pattern. And we're just lightly putting them on. So it's the same concept as our tire change video, even if you're using an impact. There we go. So now we're just going to lower the vehicle and tighten these, torque these all to spec. Alright guys, so we're going to take our torque wrench and torque all these to 111 foot-pounds. So we heard the sound. So now we're gonna go on to the next one. And I'll bring you guys back when we're done. So there you go, guys. Pretty simple video of how to rotate your tires, at least on a 2016 Dodge Charger SRT 392. So pretty simple, guys. It's not too much to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.